Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you again today with another video. I want to share this one with you because I got a message from my buddy Isaiah. I'm helping him to sell on Amazon, and he pretty much came to me with this question. He said, "Hey Luke, how do I tell what my Amazon fees are going to be before I get my product into Amazon?" I said, "Hey man, I want to make a video for you right away because this is really important. You want to know what your fees are going to be before you even get your product into Amazon, so you know for a certain fact that you're going to be making kind of the profit that you're expecting to make." So let's show exactly how we can do that. I'll minimize the screen down, and I already took the liberty of pretty much finding an example product for us to look at. So we're looking at this garlic press here, and the first thing we're going to want to do is actually come down to the product information section right here, where it's going to say the product ASIN. And this is the unique product identifier for Amazon to recognize this. So we'll just copy this, and then we're going to come over to Google and we're going to simply type in FBA fee calculator. I know a lot of you guys may have already used the FBA fee calculator, but if you haven't, stay tuned. And after this, I'm even going to show you another app that you can pretty much use right inside Amazon to judge that. So once you get into the fee calculator, you're just going to paste in the ASIN that we pulled, and we're going to have our product right here. And as we can see, this product sells for about $16.97. So we'll go back into the revenue calculator and say $16.97, and then it's going to ask for the cost of the product and how much it's going to cost to ship into Amazon. So I've already found these on Alibaba.com, where we have our Chinese suppliers that we're going to source our products from. And I've already looked at these, and a pretty median price for this is about $3.50. For the cost of the product, say $3.50. And I'm going to estimate about $1 it's going to cost us to ship from China into Amazon. And all you have to do is press calculate right here, and it's going to say our total fulfillment cost. So this is going to be the full amount of fees that we can estimate our product is going to cost us. And then down here it shows us our exact profit margin if we sell for $16.97 and buy it for $3.50 and ship to Amazon for $1. Now what you want to do when you're actually in Alibaba is come to this and say contact supplier if you found a listing that you like in Alibaba that you want to purchase from, and you're going to get some quotes from them, and that's going to give you a better representation of what the fees are actually going to be, because maybe they're charging $3.22 and 79 cents for shipping. So we can calculate that, and maybe we're going to get a higher profit margin and less fees. So it all depends, but maybe you're not allowed to sell for $16. Maybe you end up seeing that your product has a lot of competition and you can only sell for $13.97. You're still making about $5 profit, $4.65. So what I would say for this is a way to justify if that's going to meet your needs is to come in and actually just run Jungle Scout right out the gate. And this product on its own right here is making 4,000 sales a month. This is one of the top sellers, but a lot of these other garlic presses, as you can see, are making a ton of sales. Everyone is over 1,000 sales here. Don't mind the reviews. This product is way too competitive. I'm just using it as an example. But we can see even with a small profit margin, if we're making thousands of sales a month, we're still going to have a nice heap of money in there. And one thing I wanted to show you, I actually installed the AMZ Scout FBA calculator, and you can put in the information that we just looked at on the FBA fee calculator right in here, and it's actually going to show you the estimated monthly profit if you're selling 3,053 of these a month. So this is a great thing if you have the browser Google Chrome. You can just go to the Google Chrome store and type in AMZ FBA calculator, and you're going to get a nice fee calculation here. You'll see exactly what the referral fee and the pick and pack fee is, and then as well as it shows you the monthly estimated profit right here. So that's a great way to check that out. The other example I wanted to give you guys is this product here. It's actually called a weighted blanket. But now the thing I wanted to show you here is that this thing weighs 15 pounds and it sells for about $170. So we can come in and I'll just click on this listing. And again, we'll come down to the ASIN and copy that. And we'll go throw it in the FBA fee calculator and just try another product. We'll go ahead and search that up. And now again, we're going to come into Alibaba and see how much these things are costing us. So I'm going to say on the high end, I always like to estimate over what I expect, I'm actually going to pay for it, just so it gives me an extra cushion in case something happens and the fees are more than I expected, or I have to lower my price a little bit more. So $15 to $35, I'm going to say this costs about $35. But again, you want to contact the supplier to see how much shipping is going to be for this near 20-pound product. So you might want to think about sea shipping or something like that. And I will be making an Amazon course covering all this information, how to ship products into suppliers, how to pick great products in the first place. And you can find my email address down below. I'm going to come out with my course in literally just about a week. So if you shoot me an email, I'm going to get you guys a $100 discount and send a coupon code to your email if you want that. So what we're saying here is this exact product is selling for $164. So 164. And shipping to Amazon, I mean, for this heavy thing, even on the high end, if we're paying literally like $20 per unit to ship this in, and it costs us $35 to actually make the product, we can still see we're making near $73 per unit that we sell. And just like before, let's go in and actually check that out right in the FBA fee calculator right here. So the cost of product we'll say is about $35. The shipping cost we can estimate is $20. That's just a rough estimate you want to see again, but it'll give you the same number as you can see, about $74 in profit, just like we saw on the fee calculator, $73.83 and $73.82. So it's 1 penny off, but who cares? You can see the pick and pack and the referral fee. Amazon's going to charge you $24 and $10 to get your product selling on their website, using all their traffic, all this other stuff. And it even shows you the monthly storage fee in this app, which I like a lot. Only 54 cents to keep this giant product in Amazon. So having Amazon store all your inventory and provide all the customer service is the #1 reason I love to use Amazon. It just leaves a lot more passive work for you. All right, guys, now the last thing I wanted to show you is how to justify whether your product is making enough sales to rake in the amount of profit that you want. So for this weighted blanket, simply I'll use Jungle Scout. I also have this linked right down below so you can check that out. And this is the only tool you really need to sell on Amazon to pick out potential products. So what I'm looking at here is everyone is pretty much under 1,000 sales a month, but we look at the revenue and that's pretty much the biggest deciding factor. Everyone is scoring in a lot of revenue. We can see even with just 278 sales, this guy's making $33,000 in revenue every single month. And now when I come over to the Alpha Grillers, this is the comparison. We see the price point is like $11, $12 compared to $119, $169, $164. So this is a much more high-priced product, these weighted blankets, and that's why they have the ability to get a lot less sales a month, but they're still gonna make up for that in the amount of profit that they're gonna make. So whereas this product is only selling for $11.99, it's making 2,500 sales a month and it's making about $30,000 in revenue. So that was really comparable to this weighted blanket example where we are only getting 278 sales a month but still making $33,000. It comes down to finding these higher ticket items that you're going to be able to get away with. I mean, some products you might only get 100 sales a month, but if you're making $50 profit on that, you're making $5,000 a month in profit. So that's really cool, and that's kind of why I like to look at higher ticket items instead of these things that sell for $12.99 and you're only making $4 in profit with, you know? Because it's kind of crazy to have to rank yourself up to making 8,600 sales a month. I mean, that would be really cool to do, but it just seems like a lot more work and a lot more can go wrong when you're talking to your suppliers having to ship in 10,000 units of these things every couple of months. So that's why it's pretty cool to actually look for higher ticket items that sell at a higher price, because you don't have to worry about so much. If you make a less amount of sales, but you're making the same amount of money, it's like you're putting in less work and there's less risk in the product having defects and malfunctions and things like that. So again, I'll have my course down below and I'm going to share with you guys a ton of different information on how to find awesome products and get them all shipped into Amazon, optimize your listing, and do aftermarket marketing and drive traffic into Amazon and all sorts of other little goodies and tips and tricks. So Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I know it's Friday, so get out there, enjoy the weekend, and take some action, guys. I've seen 14-year-olds make this work for them. I've seen 70-year-olds make it work as well. So it's amazing what the internet's possible and capable of bringing us. So let's use it and leverage it to our advantage. If you liked the video, drop a thumbs up, and until next time, I'll see you later. Peace out.